So this is how you can disable the health app on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how you can approach this. And if it's your first time on this channel on Foxtecc, definitely become part of our community in here so you don't miss the next uploads. Anyways, the health app, it's not like you hold down on it and tap on the remove icon because you can delete it, but it goes a little bit deeper than that because there are some features or sensors which you can also like turn off completely. So for example, part of the settings, when you go to the screen time section, you can find content and privacy restrictions, and part of the allowed apps, we have the availability or ability to turn off the health app and fitness app, right? So you can kind of like restrict it or disable it using this approach, right? If that's what you're going after. Outside of that, you can as well find the privacy and security section of your settings menu. And in there, when you find the sections for individual like features, for example, the network and Bluetooth and camera and so on, we also have the motion and fitness, and you can turn off the fitness tracking altogether. So you would technically not like disable every single health related feature from the app, but you can turn off the tracking of the steps and taking the stored data from the device and stopping that from being used to estimate your motion, mobility, step counts, and distance and all of that, right? So this is what you can turn off too. So that would be all from me. I really hope that I could help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think about this video and the topic below in the comments. But thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.